Welcome back students in second part of today's lecture, and the last topic today is electric power, which is also the last topic of our first chapter. So the traditional definition of power is the rate of doing work is called power, and as we all know that work and energy are equivalent to each other. So in case of electric power, we can also say that the rate of consumption of electrical energy is called electric power. Okay, and in heating effect we have already discussed that what is the power here, which is input to the device, P equals to V into I. When we put the value of V from Ohm's law, it becomes I square R, and when we put the value of I, then it becomes V square upon R. So we have three formulas of power: V into I square R and V square R. SI unit of power is watt. 1 watt equals to 1 volt into 1 ampere or 1 volt ampere. This is equation number 2. But this unit is very small. In home or in factories, the amount of electrical energy is used is very high. So we cannot measure it in simple watt. So the commercial unit of power is kilowatt hour. Here we will see that in 1 hour how much kilowatt of energy is consumed. Okay, so whatever electricity bill we are getting in our home, in that also the unit of electric power is kilowatt hour. So here you can see 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1000 watt, because when kilo is there, so we multiply it with 1000. So 1 kilowatt equals to 1000 watt and 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. Okay, as we have to calculate it in SI units, so that's why we are using seconds. So 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1000 watt into 3600 seconds, or it can also be written as 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. This is the commercial unit of power. So today we have discussed two topics: application of heating effect of current, and last topic of this chapter, electric power. And notes related to these topics for the whole chapter, the notes is provided, so you all have to make the notes in your fair copy with all the diagram, fully labeled diagram. Okay, this is it for today's lecture. We will start second chapter in next lecture. Till then, goodbye, take care and do some productive work.